Hello, I'm Deyan from Xianjiaotong Liverpool University in China. The project I'd like to share today is a parametric form language for fiber reinforced concrete prefabricated facade elements using 3D printed formwork. For a long time, there has been lots of digital capacities to create intricate shapes, but the digital flexibility is not well matched with similar fabrication methods. Many studies have examined the capacity of full-scale robotic 3D printing and 3D printed formwork for concrete architectural elements, but both have run into new challenges. For example, the structural performance and the limited application scale. Applying high-performance concrete with 3D printed formwork can potentially address existing limitations, but the constructive feasibility of digitally designed architectural elements in this approach is not well understood yet. The research employed this hybrid approach to develop a parametric facade form language. It examines the mutually enabling and constraining relationships between parametric facade design and material functional performance, as well as the geometry flexibility. The literature review was conducted from 3 aspects to review key works in the related fields, including the realization of freeform concrete facade elements, 3D printed formwork for concrete architectural elements, and 3D printed concrete architectural elements. This research extended this existing work by examining how material functional performance aspects can be integrated into a parametric form language to achieve facade geometric flexibility. So the general research question is, how can parametrically designed facade elements using 3D printed and fiber reinforced concrete to produce geometrically flexible and structurally viable building elements? The sub-questions are respectively based on the design, material, and fabrication aspects. Accordingly, the research used a mixed research method. Design-driven method is used to demonstrate the facade form language design process. The empirical research method is used in engineering experiments and prototyping process to get quantitative data to inform the initial designs. The anticipated outcome include a parametric facade form language and material-informed design strategies, physical prototypes, and their structural performance database. The research contribution includes a new design approach, which involves mutually limiting and enhancing relationships between material properties and geometric flexibility. Also, the hybrid materiality provides a new method to develop architectural geometries. This research is planned into 4 stages. It has been conducted for almost 1 year, getting to the end of the stage 2. This stage involves the digital simulation and the physical experiments of the facade form language to inform the initial designs. At stage 3, it moved forward to the full-scale prototyping process and the facade framing construction. The last stage is the project wrap-up. The current progress include the literature review, printing experiments, and basic geometric exploration was further developed into a parametric form language design. Also, the small-scale fabrication feasibility test was also conducted to study the function of 3D printed formwork. The prototyping process is now at the initial stage. The feasibility test follows the conventional compression strength loading test. It is the typical cubic and cylinder shapes cast in both 3D printed and conventional formwork for compression purpose to check the structural influence of 3D printed formwork for these concrete components. The test brought the preliminary research findings. The 3D printed formwork not only can serve as a mold for fiber reinforced concrete, but it also seems have very few negative effects on the structural performance of the concrete components cast in the formwork. The preliminary geometry exploration for the facade form language design is concluded based on the criteria concluded from the literature review and previous experiments. The form language was designed parametrically, and it provides modular variations to achieve the design criteria. This experiment was conducted to get the proper data to be as the parameters to inform the initial designs. The spotting system and the toolpath design enable an efficient formwork printing. The thinnest formwork is selected from 6 modular prototypes for the chill to test fluidity and even concrete fiber deposition. The finding of this test is the design geometry can be fabricated at a small scale, but the new issues arise in the casting process. It indicates that the design process should involve more relative geometric strategies to exert the air during the casting process. For the next step, I'm planning to scale up the prototypes to further test structural performance to investigate the relations between formwork thickness, module scale, and geometric flexibility. I will also move forward to the performative facade design, since now I only consider the geometric aspects. Thank you. That's all for my presentation.